Hello guys, how are you everyone? I hope you all are doing well. I am Fauzia Fatima and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Fauzia Fatima Official. Today I am present here with another more informative video. Welcome to today's class which is on phrasal verbs. I am excited to help you improve your English skills. Now let's understand what are the phrasal verbs. Okay. Phrasal verbs are combinations of verbs and prepositions that create new meanings. Okay, they are essential for everyday conversation, writing, and understanding various contents. So, here are some phrasal verbs. Let's understand the meaning of these phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs. Verbs. Okay. Let's see the first one. Get on. Get on. Its mean board a vehicle. Board a vehicle. Okay. Let's see its mean bus या ट्रेन में चढ़ना. Okay. Let's understand how to use these phrasal verbs in sentence. Let's see example. I will get on the bus. I will get on the bus. On the bus at the next stop. Okay, I will get on the bus at the next stop. It means मैं अगले स्टेशन पर अगले स्टॉप पर बस पर चढ़ जाऊंगा. Okay, that's clear. Get on phrasal verb. And the second one is get off. Get off. Okay, it's mean exit a vehicle. Exit a vehicle. Vehicle. Okay, it's mean बस या ट्रेन से उतरना. ओके, बस या ट्रेन से उतरना. एग्जिट होना, उतरना. Let's see the example in sentence. I will get off. I will get off. Get off at the last. At the last stop. Stop. I will get off at the last stop. It's mean in Hindi मैं लास्ट आखिरी स्टॉप पर उतर जाऊंगा. ओके, get off. Let's see the third one. Go up. Go up. It's mean move upward. Move upward. Okay. It's mean in Hindi ऊपर जाना. Okay. ऊपर जाना. Upward. ऊपर जाना. Let's understand in sentence. The elevator will go up to the top floor. To the top floor. Okay. The elevator will go up to the top floor. Top floor. Okay. It's mean the elevator will go up to the top floor. It's mean lift ऊपरी मंजिल की तरफ जाएगी. The next one is come down. Come down. Okay. It's mean move downward. Move downward. It's mean in Hindi नीचे आना. नीचे आना. Okay. Let's understand this phrasal verb in sentence. How to use it. The prices will come down next month. Okay. The prices will come down next month. It's mean in Hindi अगले मंथ कीमतें नीचे आ जाएंगी. It's mean कम हो जाएंगी. अगले महीने से प्राइसेस नीचे आ जाएंगे, कम हो जाएंगी. ओके. We will move into our new apartment next week. It's mean in Hindi you can say हम अगले हफ्ते नए घर में चले जाएंगे. मूव हो जाएंगे, चले जाएंगे. ओके. The next one is pick up. It's mean lift or collect. Lift or collect. Okay. It's related to action verbs. It's mean उठाना. In Hindi, उठाना. Okay. Let's see the example. How to use it. This phrasal verb in sentence. Can you pick up the phone? Can you pick up the phone? Okay. Can you pick up the phone? It's mean in Hindi you can say क्या आप फोन उठा सकते हैं. The next one is put down. Put down. Okay. Its mean place or drop. Place or drop. Okay. You can say in Hindi, rakhna. It's mean rakhna. Okay. Let's see how to use it this phrasal verb in sentence. So, example. Please put down the heavy bag. Please put down, put down the heavy bag. Heavy bag. Okay. It's mean please put down the heavy bag. It's mean in Hindi you might say कृपया heavy bag भारी बैग को नीचे रख दो. Okay. The next one is take off. Take off. Okay. It's mean remove. Remove. It's mean उतारना. Remove करना. Okay. Let's see the example. How to use it. Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. Shoes. Take off your shoes before entering. 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 Okay. Take off your shoes before entering. It's mean in Hindi प्रवेश करने से पहले अपने जूते उतार दे. ओके. टेक ऑफ उतारना. So let's see the next one. Turn on. Okay. Turn on. It's mean activate. Activate. Okay. Let's see the next one. Turn on. Turn on. Turn on. It's mean activate. Activate. It's mean in Hindi चालू करना. Active करना. चालू करना. Okay. Let's see the example how to use it in sentence. Turn on the lights. Turn on the lights. The lights. It's getting dark. It's getting dark. Okay. Turn on the lights. It's getting dark. It's mean in Hindi lights. लाइटें जलाओ अंधेरा हो रहा है. Okay. Let's see the last one. Turn off. Turn off. Okay. It's mean deactivate. Deactivate. activate. Okay, it's mean बंद करना. Okay, in Hindi you can say बंद करना. Okay, let's see how to use it in sentence. Okay, turn off the TV. Turn off the TV. Okay, it's it's bedtime. Bedtime. Okay, turn off the TV. It's bedtime. It's mean in Hindi. You might say सोने का समय हो गया है. टीवी बंद कर दो. ओके, टर्न ऑफ, बंद कर दो. ओके, I hope you must have understood the concept of phrasal verbs. Actually, phrasal verbs will help to enhance your vocabulary and improve your speaking and listening skills. Okay, so you must use these phrasal verbs in your speaking English. While you speaking English, you must use it and boost your confidence. Okay, so it's all about my today's session. Definitely I'm going to come with another informative videos. So it's all from my today's session. Definitely I'm going to come with the second part of this video. Okay, till then take care of yourself and goodbye. See you soon in my next video. And one more thing, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.